Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search messages in Google Messages. As of May 2025, Google Messages offers a robust search feature that allows you to quickly locate specific messages, contacts, or shared content with your conversations. So whether you're trying to find a particular text, image, or link, the search functionality is designed to make navigation seamless. So how do you do that? Open the Google Messages app on your Android device. And once you do that, the next thing to do is to tap the search bar, which is located at the top of the screen. It is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. Now enter your search term. This could be a keyword, phrase, or contact name. For example, good. Then once you do that, go ahead and click on search. And now you see. Now you can review the categorized results, which may include conversations. That's messages containing your search term, or stirred, meaning messages you've marked as important, or photos, videos, links, or places which are shared media and content. So once you're done, tap on the result to open the corresponding conversations and view the message in context. The search function may not retrieve messages that were imported from other messaging apps or those sent before you started using Google Messages. And that's pretty much how it works. How do you, aside from this, you can also use the search function inside a conversation. So I'm going all the way back to home. So open up a chat, and once you open up a chat, you can click on the three dots, and from among the options on the drop down, go ahead and select search. Once you select search, you can now search in the conversation itself, and it's going to pop up, like for example, good, and you see, hit the search, and it's going to be highlighted in the conversation. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.